And now we have the past perfect. The past perfect refers to a time before the recent past. It is used to indicate that one event occurred before another in the past. It doesn't matter which of these events is mentioned first, because the tense makes clear the temporal order in which they occurred. This tense is widely used both in day-to-day conversations and in publications or academic papers. So its correct use will expand your possibilities of expression. Now we have the structure of the past perfect. First one, we have the affirmative form. We have the subject, then we always use the auxiliary had. Now we have the verb in past and the complement. So an example could be, I had met them before the meeting. And as you can see, we use had with all the subjects and persons. Now we have the negative form. It's similar to the affirmative, but we just add not. So an example could be, I had not said how long will the video call is. Or we can also contract this. So we have, you hadn't said how long the video is. And finally, we have the interrogative form. We have first the auxiliary had, then the subject, then the verb in the past, and finishing with the complement. So it could be, had I gone to it before lunchtime, or had we gone to it before lunchtime? And as I mentioned before, it is used to indicate that one event occurred before another one. So here we have some examples with event A and event V. So it could be, John had gone out when arrived in the office. I had saved my document before the computer crashed. Or we can use like switch it, When they arrived, we had already started cooking, or he was very tired because he hadn't slept well. Here we have the ways or forms when the past perfect can be used. The first one is when we want to refer an action that occurred in the past before another one. Like, I had watched the movie before I read the book. Another one is to talk about an action that occurred before a time in a specific time in the past. Like, I had fallen asleep when the clock rang at 11 p.m. Another one could be like to talk about actions that start in the past and continued it until a specific time in the past. Like, I have been happy in all my jobs until I got this one. Also, it's useful to like for indirect reporting, in order to reuse what a person said when they spoke in the present perfect. Like, I have started a new degree. She said she had started a new degree. In some situations, we could use it like conditional sentences. Like, if you had told me before, I would have helped you. And this is how we use the past perfect.